Well, see all those vitamins there. But it's too early for a vitamin. Not gonna do the drinks, so they just got sugar, more sugar, more sugar there. We might need some actually, but hey, how you doing? Tropical punch. That's what we're gonna go for, eh? Get a bit of everything, but a little bit of sugar too. Electrolytes and all that shit. Top person, 22 grams. That's not too bad. Yeah, they do not. Apart from some sandwiches and stuff. There it is. Yeah, that's big old sugar there. Big old sugar. Is that for me? Nothing for my horse. He's all right. He gets a drip of oil chain or bar chain oil.
Fair enough, man.
That's it.
I used to live down in Texas and they straight up hit you.
Yeah, I'm doing the St. Louis Chicago ride along the Route 66.
I got you.
I never knew until like 3 months ago. I never knew there was like a bike trail along the entire route. Badass, awesome. Check out Jungle Harry is the YouTube channel, so I'm doing it for that.
Right on.
And every time I do my crazy ride twice a year, we raise like $400 or $500, $2,000 for the St. Jude's Children's Cancer Research.
Right on, man.
So support that if you can, brother.
Be safe.
Yeah, likewise, man. Have a good one. Yeah, so we're into a little marketing there, and it's really warm. It's really warm here. And yeah, maybe this kind of stuff, body armor, will do me pretty good. Yeah, this will be a rejuvenating, I know. Yeah. Something for my horse. But yeah, guys, I don't want to carry too much more than we are already carrying. Especially, it's gonna get colder. I'm gonna get weaker, and we're gonna have to put some pantalones on and see the green beer trousers aren't too far down, I believe. There. Oh, there they are. They are at the bottom, but they're on the side, so probably won't have to take everything out. All right. So, sausage all safe. Right back in there. Should we put the lights on? Yeah, why not? So I just asked if my horse was okay over here, and they said looking for an actual horse. And they're like, what? Is this kid serious? Alright, so I put the lights on. Alright. Battery charging up. Guys, 2 hours and 10 minutes. Yeah, one would not want to do that too long. Rain, feed, fertilizer, and seed. Yeah, guys, see all that dust jump up? As soon as he went over the Okay, so there's some kind of a Perkins Grove trail. Inside here, which we might as well get on now. Because I just don't like that way that copper there looks at me.